Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move files from OneDrive to Teams. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open your Microsoft Teams app. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard, you're ready to begin transferring your files. Now, once Microsoft Teams has fully opened, you'll need to access the specific team channel where you want to move your OneDrive files. From the left navigation menu on your screen, locate and click on the team channel you've chosen. This is important because it determines exactly where your files will end up within Teams, making them accessible to the right group of people. After opening your team channel, you'll see the conversation view. This is where team members typically chat and share information. Look for the paperclip icon at the bottom of the conversation area. This paperclip represents your attach file option and is the key to bringing in files from external sources. Go ahead and click on this icon to proceed. Once you click the paperclip, a small context menu will appear on your screen. This menu shows you various file attachment options along with some files that are already available for quick sharing. From this menu, look for and click on the option labeled Attach Cloud Files. This feature is specifically designed to connect Teams with your cloud storage services, including OneDrive. After clicking Attach Cloud Files, you'll be taken directly to your OneDrive storage right from within Microsoft Teams. You don't need to open OneDrive separately or switch between applications. Everything happens seamlessly within the Teams interface, which saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth. Now from here, simply browse through your OneDrive folders and locate the specific files you wish to move to Teams. You can scroll through your folders and files just as you would in the regular OneDrive interface. Once you've found the file you want, click on it to select it. You'll notice the file becomes highlighted, indicating it's been selected and ready to be attached. Finally, after selecting your file, click on the Attach button. This will attach and move your OneDrive files directly to your Microsoft Teams channel. The file will now appear in the conversation thread, making it accessible to all team members who have access to that channel. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully moved files from OneDrive to Teams, making collaboration easier for your entire team. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.